Hi, this is Miss Pinto from Palisade Prep, and I'm going to briefly show you how to access your assignments in Microsoft Teams. So first you're going to start off by logging into Office 365. So in the address bar, you're going to type in office.com, click enter on your keyboard. Now if you're already logged in, it'll just open up the apps that are available in your district for Office 365. If you're not logged in, it's going to ask you to log in with your school email and password. Okay, so to access Teams, you're going to click on Teams right here. If you don't see the Teams app listed on your screen, if you click All Apps, it'll show up. But in this case, it's listed, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on Teams. So all the classes that I'm registered to teach are going to show up here. Okay, so whichever course that you're looking for the assignment in, you're going to click on that class. Once you're in the class, you can click on assignments up at the top here.